Well, I don't know about your summer, but ours is definitely hiding behind the rain. But still, because it's summer, I feel like eating noodles. I feel like eating fresh, light noodles. So we're going to give pho another try, this time by the Vifon beef flavor.
Vietnamese pho from Vietnam. What more could you ask for? A little sunshine would be nice. And a fork, please. But cupless noodles rarely come with cutlery. Lately I've been appreciating the print on the package more and more. I no longer need to get my unboxing fix straight away. And reading the package is not cheating. It's not like reading the end of a book first. It's more like reading the sleeve of a book that nobody does, but it really helps to know what to look out for. What's ironic is that I accidentally opened the package before even turning on the camera. Force of habit. But some clever editing is hiding this junky behavior from your eyes. So let's focus on this beautiful package, which sadly mentions a fork nowhere. But look at this interesting notice over here. No synthetic coloring. Is there a reason why they share this statement so prominently? The ingredients seem to mention additives. Aren't all additives synthetic? Brace yourselves, there's a fun fact incoming. Looking at these rice noodles, I would never have accused them of coloring. Decoloring maybe, but rice is naturally white. Then this bag of spices. Can't really see what that holds. As for this last packet, I hope you're wearing sunglasses, cause whoa, this yellow is bright. No mention of turmeric, so this color can only be explained by the aforementioned additives. What are they? E158 indicates carefully controlled heat treatment of food-grade carbohydrates. That means molten sugar, or at least caramel. E160A is carotene, the orange or yellow coloring from carrots and other roots. So are there coloring additives? Yes. They are, however, not synthetic, but natural. Basically just carrot and molten sugar. If you're feeling bold or hungry, this is the time to add an additive of your own. No color and no taste either, just water. Boiling 300 milliliters in 3 minutes. Cover it up, uncover it, and there we go, nice and soft. Let the summer begin.
When people say something tastes like chicken, they usually mean that the taste is undefined, unfamiliar. But I know what beef tastes like, and this beef tastes like chicken. Don't be fooled by these little pieces of beef in here either. This is not beef, this is wheat. So even though outside it's starting to look a little bit more like summer, this soup hasn't really enhanced the experience as much as I wanted. It's light, but it's not as fresh, and I don't sense the beef. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the serving suggestions a little serious. Add some coriander, add a splash of lime, and if you don't have lime, then you can use lemon or nothing, because I would not suggest using vinegar for the acidity. And that way the rest of the meal gets you into that desired summer freshness. So what about the ratings? Well, Vifon beef pho does indeed deliver a nice light soup. But rather than tasting like beef, it kind of tastes like chicken. And I didn't have the fresh, exploding taste that I was hoping for, but the serving suggestion got me halfway there. So I'm going to give Vifon beef pho 3 out of 5 chopsticks. I wouldn't mind eating it again, but it's not going to be in my top 5. Now maybe you like these noodles a lot, or you have a suggestion that I should try out, then please leave your reaction in the comments below. And maybe you don't like noodles at all, but you still like this video, then go ahead and click like and subscribe so that we'll see each other again when we unbox some more noodles. Goodbye. Noodles at all, but you still like this video, then you can just forget that I didn't do the ratings.